Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some garlic powder and garlic paste or minced garlic. This can help you save some money and also the stress of peeling and making fresh garlic every time you want to cook. So let's get started. Here I've got some cloves of garlic. I'll go ahead now, separate them and remove the skin. We'll be making some After separating them from the bunches, I will now peel off the skins. And here we have all the garlics peeled. Next, I'll cut them into smaller pieces or sizes and I'll divide it into 3 parts. I'll use 2 parts for the garlic powder and 1 part for the garlic paste. Let's continue. And here we have the garlic all sliced up. I'll be using this for the powder and this for the paste. Blend this. To make the garlic powder, I'll be drying the garlic in the oven. You can also dry this in the sun, but there is no sun today, so I'm using the oven to dry it. So I'll just go ahead and spread it in the tray and put in my oven. And here we have our dried garlic. It took me 2 hours to dry this in my oven at 90 degrees Celsius. If you're drying it in the sun, it might take 2 days. And if you have the hydrator, oh, that's the best. It can take some hours, but that will be the best. Next, I'll go ahead now, add into my grinder and grind into powder. And here we have our garlic powder. Now let's make our garlic paste. For this, I'll also be using my grinder. That way, I will not have to add it water. If you have food processor, that will be very fine for this. I will add about a teaspoon of cooking oil to this. This will help to keep it fresh and also preserve it. And here we have our garlic paste. Give me a thumbs up, please. I've tried. Click on that like button. Thank you. And here we have our garlic paste and the garlic powder. The garlic paste can last up to 2 months in the fridge, while the garlic powder can last up to 6 months in your kitchen pantry. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and also share the video. If you haven't subscribed, also subscribe. Thank you. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.